If you have a Mac and you want to share your screen using Google Meet, you have to authorize your browser to allow it to share your screen or to record the contents of your screen. When you are in a Google meeting and you attempt to do that for the very first time, it's going to prompt you or is going to alert you to do that. I'm going to show you what that looks like. I'm going to walk you through step by step on what you have to do to authorize your web browser to record your screen, which will automatically allow you to share your screen in a Google meeting. You want to make sure that you do this before the actual meeting that you plan presenting on. You don't want to wait till the day of the meeting because this is a little bit involved and it will require you to close your web browser. So let's make sure that we do this either an hour before the meeting or that you're doing it days before, okay? Please do not wait until the meeting. I made the mistake of waiting until the meeting because I wasn't sure I was going to present and I had to ask somebody to help me. So please don't be like me. So let's go ahead and attempt to share our screen. We're going to click on the icon at the bottom with the box and the arrow pointing up and present now. I'm going to say I want to share my entire screen so that you can see everything that I'm doing. When I do that, it will say Google Chrome would like to record this computer screen, grant access to this application in security and privacy preferences located in system preferences. So you want to do open system preferences. If you press deny, it's just not going to allow it and you're not going to be able to share your screen. Okay, so let's click on open system preferences. Once that's opened, the item that's highlighted here is the screen recording, which is the one that we want to work on. On the Mac, you have to click on this lock in order to make changes on this area here. All the apps that are highlighted or that have a check mark next to it are allowed to record the contents of my screen. And in order for us to make changes, I have to click this lock. Once you do that, it's going to ask you for your password if you have a password on your Mac. I have Touch ID set up, so I'm going to press Touch ID. And then because I use Google Chrome when I access Google Meet, I'm going to allow Google Chrome. And now it says Google Chrome will not be able to record the contents of your screen until it is quit. You can choose to quit Google Chrome now or do it on your own later. We want to quit and reopen now because we want the changes to take effect immediately and we don't want to forget. I'm going to do that, and that's going to close this web browser in the back in order for the changes to take effect. So I'm going to quit and reopen. And now it opened the web browser. I'm going to minimize it and I want to make sure I click this lock to prevent further changes. I'm going to click that. And then we're going to go back to Google Meet. So I'm going to create a quick meeting just to show you that the changes that I made actually work. I'm going to try and present my entire screen. Share, and then you are presenting your screen is the message that we get, and then we also have the notification at the bottom, and then we're going to stop sharing. I hope this works for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you need me to show you how to permission a different web browser, if you're using Safari or Firefox, please leave me a comment and I will show you how to do that. Thank you.